Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to unbox a binocular. It's a monocular binocular for a phone. This is a birthday gift for me. Now come, let's unbox it. Now it's a bag for monocular binocular and it's a small tripod stand. And it's a phone connector. And now it's coming to the monocular binocular. It's a monocular binocular. Wow! It have a compass and it have 4x60 zoom in and zoom out with capable of this, you can see. And it's a Panda of Universal company. And you can connect your phone as you like. Now they given a clip to connect your phone camera to it. You have to connect your phone camera like this. You can connect your phone camera. Now you can see it's a monocular binocular. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to buy this monocular, link in the description, and like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.